Okay, let's do Adia by Sarah McLachlan. You know, I don't know if you ever hear a guy sing this, but I really like the progression, and I tried it a few times, and I think you can get away with it. So, and some pretty neat chords.
Edie, I do believe I failed you. Edie, I know I let you down. Don't you know I tried so hard to love you in my way? It's easy to let it go. Edie, I'm empty since you left me, trying to find a way to carry on. Search myself and everyone, see where we went wrong. There's no one left to finger, there's no one here to blame. There's no one left to talk to, honey, and there ain't no one to buy our innocence. 'Cause we are born innocent. Believe me, Adia, we are still innocent. It's easy, we all falter. Doesn't matter. Adia, I thought that we could make it.
Okay, goes another verse and another chorus. Coming out of the second chorus, it comes to a little piano interlude or a little instrumental. I'll have the chords on the screen, of course. And the way I come out of it, if I can do it here.
We are born innocent. Believe me, Adia, we are still innocent. It's easy, we all falter. Doesn't matter. We are born innocent. Believe me, Adia, we are still innocent. It's easy, we all falter. Doesn't matter. Believe me, Adia, we are still innocent. 'Cause we are born innocent. Believe me, Adia, we are still innocent. It's easy, we all falter. Doesn't matter.
Ends on an E7. You can listen to the record, get your own timing there for the ending, but it's kind of a double chorus at the end, which that's doable, and it's a pretty cool song, and it'll kind of bring people back to, I guess, the 90s or whenever Sarah was popular. Pretty big hit. So good luck with that one.